everyone, this time I want to make a video about asking for direction to Monas using two routes, namely Station Gondangdia and Station Tanah Abang.
Hi, my name is Olive and I am a local resident helping Dita with directions.
A tourist visiting Jakarta looking for direction to Monas. Excuse me, good morning.
Good morning, how can I help you?
Kita visiting Jakarta for the first time. I'd like to go to Monas, but I'm not sure which route to take. I heard there are two ways via Gondangdia Station or Tanah Abang Station. Could you with me?
Oh, welcome to Jakarta, Dita. Sure, I will be happy to help. Monas is one of the most iconic landmarks here. Are you walking, taking public transport, or riding a motorcycle?
I am riding a motorcycle. I just want the easiest and safest route.
Alright, let's compare the two roads. Both are good, but one might be better depending on the time in the traffic conditions.
Route via Station Gondangdia.
The first route is via Gondangdia Station. You will start from here, head southeast on Belawan Street and the turn left onto Kebun Siri Street, continue straight for about kilometer, and then turn right onto Ridwan Rais Street and Medan Merdeka Selatan Street.
That sounds simple. Is it faster?
Well, it's generally fasting during non-peak hours because there's less traffic. However, during rush hours, the area near Gondangdia station can get a bit congested.
I see. So, it's a quicker route, but only when there's no traffic.
Exactly. It's also scenic road. Medan Merdeka Selatan Street is one of the cleaner and greener streets in Jakarta, with trees lining both sides. It's especially nice in the morning.
That's so nice. Is it the safest route?
It's relatively safe, but not the safest. The road near Srikaya Street can get narrow, and you will need to be careful around intersections. Some parts of the road might also have potholes, so watch out for those.
I'll keep that in mind. Route via Station Tanah Abang. What about the route via Tanah Abang Station?
That's another option. You will start on Belawan Street as well, but instead of turning left onto Medan Merdeka Selatan Street, you will head right and go toward Kebun Siri Street, then turn onto Jati Baru Raya Street, where you will pass by Tanah Abang Station.
That seems longer.
It's a bit longer, but the roads are wider, and the traffic is usually more manageable compared to the Gondangdia route. Plus, Kebun Siri Street has fewer sharp turns, which make it a smoother ride.
So, this route is safer.
Yes, I say it's safer because you'll be riding on wider roads, and there are fewer sharp turns. Plus, Kebun Siri Street and Kahamas Mansur Street are better maintained than some of the roads near Gondangdia.
I see. Are there any landmarks or place to stop on this route?
Definitely, near Tanah Abang Station, you will find several markets and food stalls. If you want to explore, it's a good spot to take a break and grab a snack.
That's helpful to know. So the Gondangdia route is faster during non-peak hours, but the Tanah Abang route is safer and has better routes. Which one would you recommend?
That depends on what you prioritize. If you are in a hurry and it's not rush hour, the Gondangdia route is the better choice. But if you prefer safety and comfort, the Tanah Abang route is the best option.
I'm not in a hurry, so safety is more important to me.
Then the Tanah Abang route is the most suitable for you. It's the safer and more comfortable choice.
Thank you so much for explaining everything in detail. I really appreciate it.
You are welcome. Would you like me to mark these roads on your maps?
That would be great.
Alright, let me show you. Here is the Gondang Dia route. It's shorter and passes through Menteng Raya Street, which is quite scenic.
Oh, I see. And the other route?
The Tanah Abang route is a bit longer. You will go through Kebun Sirih Street and past Tanah Abang station. It's safer with wider roads and fewer sharp turns.
But seem like good option.
They are. If you want to explore more, the Tanah Abang area also has some interesting street food stalls. I've marked a few spots here on your map.
That's so helpful. Thank you for adding those.
No problem, Dita. One more thing, if you are heading out later in the evening, the Gondang Dia route might be a bit quieter. It's nice for a relaxed ride.
That's a good tip. I'll keep that in mind.
Here you go, the map is ready. If you need further directions, feel free to stop and ask locals. They are usually friendly.
This is perfect. Thanks again, Olive. You've been amazing.
Anytime. By the way, do you want to join me for a coffee before you head to Monas? It's the last I can do to welcome you to Jakarta.
That's very keen of you. Where's the cafe?
There's a small cafe just around the corner. They serve some of the best brewed coffee in the area.
Free with coffee? What's that?
It's a traditional Indonesian coffee. It's strong, rich, and unfiltered. A must try if you are visiting here.
That sounds interesting. Is it sweet?
It can be. They usually serve it with sugar, but you can adjust it to your taste.
If you never tried it before, I might enjoy it.
I am sure, Dita, you will. They also have some snacks like banana fried and rissoles, perfect to pair with the coffee.
That sounds tempting, but I'm thinking about heading to Monash first.
How about a quick stop? It won't take long, and you can recharge before continuing your ride.
That's a good idea. Alright, let's grab some coffee.
Great, follow me. It's just a short walk from here.
Thank you, Olive. You're really making my trip memorable.
I am glad to help. Let's go. Okay, that's it the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.